start a faceless YouTube channel with these multiple ideas that I'll be sharing with you in today's video. Anyone can make them work, and you just need to follow me till the end of this video in order to get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on in order to just get notified when I upload brand new videos just like these ones. Also, if you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. So without any further ado, let me start with this video so I can show you multiple faceless channel YouTube channel ideas, and of course you can choose the one that you like the most and let me know in the comments down below what you think about them. So I'm going to begin with the very first one, which is to create some health videos. As you can see, I'm over at this channel called Natural Cures, and they post different videos about giving some advices about your health and so on. You can even check them out by yourself, and what they are basically doing is just using some stock footage, so they are not filming anything, and they are also like putting some text in these videos as well, but even you can use your voice if you want to, so you can just do voiceover or you can just write some things here in the videos. But of course you need to find some videos that you can implement in your YouTube videos first of all. So I'm going to just give you this platform called pixabay.com. As you can see, I've searched for health here and I've selected videos. Of course there are images and other things as well, but you can just find some health videos that you can just use in order to create your YouTube video. Of course, so you're going to just find as much as you can and implement some text in it, or you can even do voiceover if you want. And of course you can go over to Google in order to find different results about your health, in order to find different articles and information that you can get in order to create those videos by giving some advices about different things. And let's see how much money they are generating. You can see here that this channel is getting like 1.5 million of views in the last 30 days, which is a lot actually, and they're getting like up to $6,000 of dollars monthly earning, which is pretty awesome actually. You can give it a try, but of course you need to just wait in order to get monetized, in order to get those watch hours and so on, and you know that it's going to take a little bit of time. So what you can do in order to get profit very soon is to go over to clickbank.com, so you'll be able to find different affiliate links for different products. You can go over to the health and fitness niche and you can find products in the niche, just get their affiliate link and put them in the description. So this is like a strategy that most YouTubers are doing, that they put like affiliate links for different things, for different products in the description of their videos, so they are getting even more profit from that. So I highly recommend that you even do this. You just need to create a free account on ClickBank. If you are not from the countries that ClickBank is available in, you can even use Digistore24 or just select for different affiliate networks on Google and find one that is available in your country. So you're going to just get the affiliate link of a particular product and you're going to put it on the description of your video, so people can just buy a product that is going to help them to lose weight, for example, or about different things. You can just find the best product that you think is going to generate you a lot of sales. So with that said, guys, let me proceed to another YouTube channel idea, which is a faceless. Of course you can see here that this is called Wawamu Stats, and they're just creating some statistics videos. You can do the same thing, and are doing voiceover as well. They're just recording their voice. You can do that even with your iPhone, of course. And of course what you can do else is to just go over to Google and search for different softwares that help you just create those statistics that these people are doing on their channel as well. So let me go over to Social Blade once again, so we can see that this YouTube channel is making up to 2.2 thousands of monthly earnings, and they're getting like 500,000 of views every month in their videos. They got like 300,000 of subscribers. So you can even do this if you want, of course. I'm going to proceed to another YouTube channel faceless idea. You can just use this idea as well. You can see that this channel has got 4.2 million of subscribers, and what they are doing is basically creating some videos by just giving some advice, also how to grow in life, and different topics. Actually, you can just check them out. You can see, for example, some mistakes that you should make, and so on. You can find this information once again on Google. There are a lot of articles that you can read and create your own videos, of course, based on those information that you're going to get. You just need to do a voiceover and also to create some pretty good looking thumbnails just like these ones in order to attract people's attention so they can click on your video as well. So you can see that this channel is generating like up to $24,000 every month, and they're getting like 6 millions of views in the last 30 days, which is a lot actually. And you can see that people are really interested in this kind of videos, so you can just see what they are talking about, so you can do the same thing. And once again, I want to mention that they are just implementing some kind of stock footage that I mentioned even before, that you can get on Pixabay, or you can even go over to Faceless.com. It's a similar platform to Pixabay where you can find the best free stock photos, royalty free images and videos that are shared by creators. And you're going to notice they are in high definition, and you can use them actually for free and with a license on your YouTube video. So you can just search here related to the topic that you're going to talk about, and then you can just create your own YouTube channel without showing your face and also by just doing a voiceover. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to another YouTube channel, Faceless idea, which is to just create some meditation videos. So I want to mention that these kind of videos do not require your face, of course, but even your voice, so you don't need to do voiceovers for this one. They are just like posting videos that are like 3 hours long because they put them on a loop, and they just put an image over there, and that's it. You can find those different images even on Pexels and Pixabay.com, just like I mentioned before. And of course, you can just add the music over there and put it on a loop. So you may be wondering, how can I find that music? So you can just go over once again to Pixabay.com. They do offer music as well. As you can see, I've searched for relaxing music, download, and you can download them for absolutely free. You're going to see that they are called calm background for video, the beat of nature, relaxing music, and so on. Just put them on the loop so you can make like an hour long video. And I want to mention that these kind of videos are very popular, and you can see that this channel has got like more than 3 million of subscribers, and their most popular video got like 39 millions of views. And you can see that they do go or even live sometimes actually, and you can do the same thing by going over to social blade. You're also going to notice that they got more than 30,000 of dollars in monthly earnings, and you can see that they got like 7.6 million of views in their last 30 days, which is a lot actually. And I said even before that this is a very popular niche, so you can give it a try if you want to. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, or subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.